Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use temporary chats in ChatGPT. So this is a great feature to be aware of if you're a bit conscious about your privacy and just want to interact with the LLM without it saving any of your chat history. So to access this, sign into ChatGPT and you're going to see a button at the top right hand side of your screen. So as you can see, when I mouse over this button, it says turn on temporary chat. And if you go ahead and click that, it's going to take you to the temporary chat window. So as you can see here, it says right here, this chat won't appear in your chat history and won't be used to train our models. So now I can ask it anything I want and any prompts that I make will not be recorded. So it's really great if you want to keep your footprints hidden for a little bit or if you're dealing with some sensitive data. So it's really that easy. And if you want to go back to regular mode, just click on that button again at the top right of your screen. And there, we're back in normal mode, normal browsing mode. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.